Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh, and I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today in this episode, I'm gonna talk about how to start affiliate marketing with no money with the examples. Right? But before telling this, I just want to say that as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have a deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address that is pankja.singh@gmail.com with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? So now, without any delay, let me show you how to start affiliate marketing with no money. So here, first let me show you the guide, step-by-step guide, where I'm gonna show you the steps that you need to take to start affiliate marketing with no money. And thereafter, I will show you the live examples that what you can do or how you can start affiliate marketing with no money with the examples. Now, as you can see, starting affiliate marketing with no money is possible, but it requires time, effort, and creativity. Now, what are the steps that you need to take to start affiliate marketing? Your first step is choose a niche. Select a niche that you are passionate about or one that has a good market demand. Research affiliate programs related to your niche. So here, first you have to pick your niche out of three market, health, wealth, and relationship. So in my case, my market is wealth and my niche is affiliate marketing. As you can see that there are people, those who are looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So this is my niche, right? So once you know, okay, yes, this is my niche, then you have to look for the programs, affiliate programs that you can apply for, right? So this is the first thing that you have to do. Pick your niche where you have passion, where you have interest, and yes, side by side also look for there must be demand, there must be money too. Now you tell me, if you pick a niche where there is no demand, where there is no money, then what's the benefit of picking that niche where you have passion, where you have interest? Why we want to do affiliate marketing? We want to do affiliate marketing because we want to make money. Am I right? So that's why it's very, very important to pick a niche where there is demand, where there is money. Right? Now, second thing that you have to do, you have to build a platform. This is very, very important. To interact with your ideal prospect, you have to build your own platform. And what can be your platform? Your platform can be like your own blog, your website, your YouTube channel, your podcast, or any social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest. So it's up to you. In this episode, I'm gonna show you the example of Facebook, where I have picked my platform, that is Facebook. So here I will show you that how you can start affiliate marketing using Facebook, right? So yes, this is very, very important. Considering your strength, you have to pick your own platform and you have to build that platform so that you can promote your affiliate offer, right? So this is your second thing that you have to do. Now next, create quality content. So once you know that, yes, this is the platform that where you are going to interact with your ideal prospect and your ideal prospect can interact with you. So here what you have to do, you have to start providing valuable content where you are solving the problem of your ideal prospect, where you are answering to the questions of your ideal prospect. You might have noticed that when you go on the Google and you type affiliate marketing, so there are so many questions you find there. So what is that? There are people, those who are looking for the answer to the questions. Same thing, if you go on the YouTube and when you type affiliate marketing, then in the search bar, you find so many questions or keywords that people are asking in the search bar, or you can say they are looking for the answer to their questions, how to start affiliate marketing. And then all of the sudden you find so many questions that people are asking related to affiliate marketing. So this is what you have to do here. Note down all the questions that people are asking and step by step start giving answer to the questions on your platform. So it can be your Facebook or it can be YouTube or Instagram. It's up to you, right? So you have to create quality content so that you can build trust. And you know that why people buy because of that trust. And through your content, through your quality content, they will start knowing you, they will start liking you, they will start having trust on you. And this is what we want in our affiliate marketing business. We want to build that trust. We want to build our goodwill. We want to build our personal brand. And when trust is built, then everything will be easy for you. You don't have to change for the sale. People will come to you and they will ask for your affiliate link, right? So that's why it's very, very important. Create quality content. The next thing, you have to join affiliate programs. So when you have started creating quality content on your platform, then you have to join any affiliate program. And here you can join program like Digistore 24, Amazon Associates, ClickBank or Share Asset. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the example of Digistore 24. So here you go and join the program in your niche and grab your affiliate link. So this is what you have to do. Next, promote affiliate products. So once you are approved to the affiliate program in your niche, and when you grab your affiliate link, then what you have to do? You have to promote your affiliate offer using your affiliate link. Then you can see that start promoting affiliate products in your content using affiliate links provided by the affiliate programs to track your sales. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and disclose them to your audience. So here what is the meaning of that? Here, when you are publishing your content, then at the end of your content, you can say that, hey, by the way, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing or if you want to know more about this particular topic, you can join our program. You can find the link down below in the comment, or you can find the link in our bio section. So that you can do, that can be your call to action. And at the end, you can also say that, hey, I'm the affiliate of this program. If you buy, then I will make commission. So be transparent. Let everybody know that you are an affiliate of this program, right? So that's why it is very, very important to disclose your relationship with the program that you are promoting. You are promoting this program as an affiliate, right? Now, next thing that you have to do, drive traffic. So use various methods to drive traffic to your platform. This could include SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, network marketing, or focus on building a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. So here overall idea is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate offer using your platform. And strategy can be anything like SEO, social media or email marketing or networking. And here I would say, please pick one platform or one traffic source. Don't try to use every traffic source. Like at one point you are using search engine optimization, then next day you are using social media marketing, then other day you are using email marketing. Come on, don't be that guy. Pick one traffic source and master it, right? So that's how you do affiliate marketing with no money. Right now, let me show you the examples that what you can do in simple way to start your affiliate marketing with no money. Here I'm assuming that you have selected your niche. As in my case, my niche is affiliate marketing, and I have selected my niche from the market, that is wealth market, right? So considering my niche, I have applied for the program that is Digistore 24. Actually, this is the place where we can find so many products in different niches. And from here, we can find our affiliate link to the product that I want to promote or you want to promote, right? So here, what we have to do, first you have to join this program, Digistore 24. And once you are approved, then come to the place that says marketplace. So click on that. Yeah. And here you have to select your categories. Can you see that digital products? Click on that. As my category is e-business. So in your case, it can be like dating, love, relationship if your market is relationships, or if you are into health market, then it can be this one, fitness and health. So in my case, my wealth market. So considering that, I'm gonna pick this one. Now you can see there are so many products. One more thing, actually these products are in different language. So I'm gonna pick the language, English. Yeah. Now you can see that. So here I can pick the product that I want to promote. So which one I wanna promote? Let's assume I'm gonna promote this one, modern affiliate marketing, right? So what I will do, can you see that promote new? Click on that promote new, and now can you see that link? And it has my username Pankaj Singh 12. So copy that link. Now here one thing that I would say, whenever you are going to promote any product, it's a good practice as an affiliate. First you go through the product, and when you see that it's a great product to promote, it solves the problem of your ideal prospect or your ideal customer, then go and start promoting that very product. Never ever promote any product without using that product personally. Never ever. But as you want to know that how to start affiliate marketing with no money, then yes, I'm showing you that how you can start affiliate marketing. But if possible, please invest your money into the product that you want to promote, right? So that's the right way. So now copy, and now actually this Digistore 24 is a free network where you can join and you can start promoting the products considering your niche. Next thing that you have to do, come to Bitly. Actually Bitly is a software through which you can sort your long looking and ugly looking affiliate link, and it is a free software. So what you have to do next, once you log in into your Bitly account, click on create new, then link, and now paste your affiliate link here that you have copied from Digistore, right? And then come here, can you see that custom back half? Here you have to give the name of the product that you are promoting so that it will be easy to remember. Modern affiliate marketing. Modern affiliate marketing. Yeah, it has been taken. So I'm gonna 12. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, fine. So can you see that create new? Click on that create new. So now copy that. So if someone clicks on that and he or she decides to buy, then I will make commission. So this is my final link that I'm going to promote on my social media platform, as my social media platform is Facebook. Yeah, you can see that my affiliate link here, you can see. So this is the confirmation that my link is right. Yeah, this is the sales page of the product that I'm gonna promote. Everything is okay. In your case, you can use your existing Facebook profile or you can create new one considering your niche. By the way, if you don't know how to optimize your Facebook profile, then down below I have put the link of my training where you can go and watch and you can learn how to optimize your Facebook profile so that you can promote your affiliate offer. So now next, come to your intro section and can you see that edit bio? So in your edit bio section, you can paste. Yeah. So this is my link and then save. By the way, I'm not gonna save it because I have already pasted my affiliate link of the program that I'm promoting, right? So I'm gonna cancel it. Now next thing, go to your edit details, and once you click on that, then there is section called websites. Yeah, here, can you see that? Click here, and then there will be option to paste your affiliate link. So paste your affiliate link there and then save. Then your affiliate link will be showing here. So paste your affiliate link in this section. And after that, what you have to do, this is very, very important. On daily basis, you have to start providing valuable content where you are solving the problem of your ideal customer. So here what you can do, you can go to Google. Please note that here whatever I'm teaching, considering affiliate marketing, right? Yeah, you can see that people also ask. So these are the questions that people are asking. So what I can do, I can copy this. How do I earn in affiliate marketing? So if I know the answer, then I can give the answer to this question on my profile. So that can be my content, right? Same thing. What does an affiliate marketer do? So if you know the answer, you can create a content on this question where you are giving the answer. So that way what will happen? Slowly you will get the momentum and people will start knowing you and they will consider you that you are an expert into affiliate marketing. And when everybody will start knowing you, liking you and having trust on you, then everything will be easy. People will come to you and they will approach to you and they will ask for your affiliate link. You don't have to change for the sale, right? So this is what you have to do. Start publishing on your profile daily basis. As you can see on my profile, I do reels on daily basis where I'm solving the problems of my ideal prospect. I'm providing value on my profile. And that way what I'm doing, I'm building my goodwill. I'm building my, you can say, my trust, right? So yes, when there will be trust, people will come and they will check your profile and they will click on your affiliate link. They will buy your affiliate product that you are promoting. And that's how you make money doing affiliate marketing. And that's how you do affiliate marketing with no money. So you can see that you don't have to pay anything to start affiliate marketing. It's very simple. But I would say, if possible, at least invest in the program that you are going to promote. Whatever product that you are going to promote, first you buy that program, buy that product. And when you think that it's a good product to promote, then go and start promoting it. Never ever promote any product that is crappy. Just for the sake of making money, don't promote anything. Please understand this. This business is all about trust. When trust is gone, this business is gone, right? So now you know that how to start affiliate marketing with no money. By the way, you can see that this is the program that I am promoting, and yes, you have to invest into that program. It's a great product to promote. By the way, if you want to join this program, then down below I have put the link. You can go and join, right? So these are the things that you have to do to start affiliate marketing with no money. And yeah, if you have any questions related to affiliate marketing, then yes, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you. I will try my level best to help you, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.